First, create new playlist. You can find it in Audio, Simple Music Player, Simple Music Playlist. Open it. Click plus icon on the right of Tracks field. Add an audio file. Repeat these steps to add more tracks. Give it a name in Playlist Name field. Get Simple Music Player node and create Play Playlist node. Choose your newly created playlist from drop-down box in Play Playlist node. We'll also add a node Play Next to test our playlist. Now, let's test it out. Take a look at our others video tutorials and documentation. Thanks for watching.